Hello guys, I'm Coduchess. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I added a GIF to my GitHub README file. This is a very cool addition to your README because it shows like a demo video of what your website or platform actually looks like. So if you want to know how I added this GIF to my GitHub README file, please stick around. Thank you. So in your VS Code, you're going to create a new folder and name it screenshot. You can also name it GIF if you want, but I prefer to name it screenshot. I'm going to minimize this a bit. You're going to get your GIF from where it's saved in your computer. This is basically done using GIF. I don't think you can use videos for this, but I make use of GIFs when I want to add like a video to my GitHub repo. So once you're done adding the screenshots, you head to the README file. So I like placing my GIF beneath my description. This is like my header and this is like my description. To place the GIF, you're just going to write the simple code. You say asterisk, then you make a square bracket. You name the GIF. I'm naming it demo video. Then you're going to bring in the screenshot /screenshot, then the GIF. So you're going to add it to your GitHub after adding the GIF to your README. First of all, we are going to add it. Git add. Then we need to commit it. Git commit. A GIF demo video to my README file. Then you're gonna push. So it's done pushing to GitHub. We're heading over to my GitHub. Say github.com/Ohiene. This is my surname and this is my GitHub repo. There you're going to see the code for all the tutorials I've been shooting, including this recent one I just shot. We have to scroll down and wait for it to load because it takes a bit of a time to load. So guys, it's finished loading, and as you can see, this GIF has been added to our GitHub repo. This is a very good addition because maybe let's say clients come to your repo to check it out. They do see this GIF and see the working demo of your project. So this is the end of my tutorial. Thank you for coming. Please do like, share, and follow for more. This is the website that I made a GIF of to add to the README. This is my most recent project on YouTube. Check the video out and like, share, and engage in this video. It's very responsive and it's a very easy website, and it's going to be a very good boost in your portfolio. It's also a responsive website. The video is on my channel. The full video of how I did this is on my channel, so please engage in it, like, share, and follow for more.